in recent times as a result of current market trend. Prices of foods, all foods have shot up astronomically, and food suppliers have refused to supply any food item to the colleges because of indebtedness of colleges to these suppliers. A request for an upward review of the feeding grant paid to principals has not been approved, and it has therefore become increasingly difficult for principals to continue to provide 3 square meals to students at 6 cedis 50 pesos.
Can you imagine this?
My God.
6 cedis 50
In the light
pesos.
of the above, it is the wish of Prinkoff to be given the permission to ask students to start feeding for themselves. This is to ensure that the already stretched academic year is not disrupted. Ajimai Emmanuel, a PRO at the Teacher Trainee Association of Ghana. Ajimai, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I can feel from your voice, Sadisian for more teacher training colleges, you are not happy.
Not at all. We are not.
Statement I can say principal the Ministry of Education say sia de atokrodo wo mo bo mo sire mu a sika bi amma daily sky de feed mu ye 6 cedis 50 pesos from morning up to evening. Say sika no so kra amenti no sia de mo ankasa mo fa mo destiny hye se mo kopa buro ene nchewe enchenwe. How bad is the situation as a student at colleges of education?
Well, thank you very much. Let me first of all, I'm a president in a colleges, Ghana, students or colleges of Ghana. Well, and I am Kabianship na prank of the release and per the release, they have given ultimatum that 7th of this month. Yes, that is.
Neso kakra ma me why. Now I know say e come do but boom. Sa no pe kwaja bunya nya kokokra no me.
It is not started. The patron say, and I am Kabianship na prank of the release I said on the 7th of this month near best at FED or college in it. As student leaders and release in the because psychologically, we are not prepared for this. Students are not prepared for this at all. Financially, you are boy and you buy. We had a post from the spokesperson for the Ministry of Education, on also say government had to take key notes of the release, and they will act swiftly to that now. Before 7 for Timothy principals and the Abana, or Mahena, or so be a free honor.
But my the picture when I'm more school over at more teacher training allowance no a mana.
Well, but that's a crow. Yeah, I mean, say if you see economic crisis near the, that's a crow government and other so at the Kennedy and. But the principals, let me use this opportunity to also commend them because as student leaders, as students on campus, we sometimes find it difficult and then worried about it, how they have been feeding us with 60 to 50 pesos. In fact, they have been performing miracles. In times like this, spending 60 to 50 pesos for 3 square meals is not easy. It's not easy at all. So we appreciate their efforts. And we are also telling government to also come into their aid and then.
Akoma FM. Mamentias in all those discussions, is ano pamokwa moye den mukoko mu breakfast ye den awie aduane be na mudi anwumre den na mudi the trend. Let me have the understanding. Me pese bi nya the vivid picture, the annotated explanation to the situation. We a teacher need to mame that picture.
Well, 3 square meal a morning no obetiki breakfast, evening no obetiki lunch na afternoon obetiki lunch na evening no watiki supper. standard. The college, you know, and a bed drafted on one casano, a menu amount. Into the morning, bit medical, bit medi, house a cuckoo, bit menia more cuckoo, bit medi rice water, afternoon, yango baby eddy, bit menia rice eddy, evening, and so bit menia, banku, appreciate, more. Very there is no constant said the piano pa say would more kuku to dance a bit many tea and nanopa.
Me bo in all this for say repeat be ma menya where how many months and the teacher training allowance arrears?
But a bit can be ma.
How many months and a teacher training allowance and a war into arrears?
Well, for now, because of the shift system now, colleges now, no, the double track system now is running into now, and consistent at all.
And the teacher trainees over the years more running a double track system. It started again.
Oh, it started last year.
Why are you running double track?
Well, we lack facilities. We lack accommodation.
It is here for
a new.
The last time I checked, not from 2 4 but 10 for almost 8 months. And on mobile rich abetra or exams or mobile fee.
And it is here I know a crown of from 2 4 or level 100 phones to eco fee.
Level 100 for coffee archers, and when are they coming back?
Well, level 200 for no air co or mobile co the year November year. Into your very moon say beer or more dating number out into.
So you don't even have a plan. Say okay, yeah, my quine first, and I call a training college. Do a quite near field work near a year. Won't say bus back. Now quack see will be now we are wash top white or down black and a white. Not just say sign the system from form 1 form 2 way back. Ebe fear 6 months. Now we are according 3 months. No asaba double track at the colleges of education.
Well, I don't know what kind of it is worried because we need to plan for the whole academic year. We need planning for the whole academic year. Say me planning is let's spend this particular month on campus or this particular week on campus. Into me prepare na me makwa impo amakufia koye adwuma bi dia support ne ma obeba makwa obeko. I just said the various institutions na ye show ma se no edit ba se that say mo be resume enti obetwere exams here. That is where you get to know the date here or the beba back.
No, I understand. Just mama kwan you don't even know when you are going back to school. There's a moment when I'm winning Bram Bessan Craco School. And our school monosono a day. Sikaya di feed you a 6 cities 50 pesos.
50 pesos.
And then sio bako a 60 a sachet water no 60 pesos. And a pack no a your friend is saying 15 cities. And ensuo baako na wo. Oh God, we are a joke as a country. Hey, and akwara we dey ye ka ye say onsua de na omna mekire obi ade na owi a nipa no emna menyiri ya panipa. So you see the country we are in.
So the frustration at Eba colleges, frustrations at Eba year teacher trainees, is very worried. Is very worried, especially yesterday. Me say my colleague trainees at work colleges in the morning. Some of them, and now I know can say they have been frustrated because of the release from Prenkov. Because psychologically, we are there to learn wisdom from our lectures. We are there to learn, aspire to inspire people in the basic school. You see, the enya kochre dachi emba ewo school. Na se ye na yesu akochre ade no. Ama dachi ahemfo ne ahene no. Yeah, frustrated there. I didn't be see. You say economy no so nowadays, but yeah, that's right. Say government any money because releasing a free print of Wabano. It is not just a mere release. They are fed up. They are fed up. Students do appreciate their effort very well. Undoubtedly, they have been doing so well. They have been performing magic with the 60-50%. Imagine as you pay quite a 60-50% all the day. But these principals have been maneuvering their way to feed us with this 60-50%. Yet, the feeding component is not coming as they expect it to become.
And you say, from Monday, Muamu be feeding mo. Mo be dem, mo ne dem. How because minim say the College of Education a boarding school. Ntinya dia wa be so de na. Why the open?
Colleges of Education as it stands now, we are not ready for this policy.
Akoma FM.
We cannot feed ourselves. One.
Yo, na some principals ne say sika ese wo munya ni ya di feed mu no ema areas bom suppliers and ton duane ma wo mu kra biem. So they have no choice.
Yet almost I don't think that ye preview on the government is say principals in the Ekasia. Yes, yes, home, it was school, accommodation, where we will sleep is a problem. That is why we are running double track in the colleges. So now, principals can see in FD. Where are we going to have that access to rice cookers, cylinders, and other stuff to cook for ourselves? This is another challenge that will also come. And all these things, it frustrates we, the learners in the campus. It frustrates you. So them be kind financially, students are in school now, preparing to write some are preparing to write their quizzes, others are preparing to write their end of semester exam. If I know about one also be an academic exams fishing or call. Sika the man so on function on method and on to me fan feeding now. And obey to me cry their feeding on one. Baby I dampuno. Yeah, another boat track. Na he funny binya day. Your rice cookers, utensils, SCC, and Amaya.
Okay, so Emmanuel Ajema, PRO. Hold the line for me. Emmanuel Ajema, PRO, the Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana. But young called the PRO for the Ministry of Education. Me aminua kwasi kwaten. Kwasi ma me mo atemu akwa bamra Akoma FM. Ovia Santini bibi abokode.
Me Sante, me Josupa na me chiao kesie yi pa me hoye. Someone so hoye.
Ya me adom entia na watch akese ba maje so kitu because me hwewa me hu.
Ejuma no do so bedifo so wumfo do so ya
na. Me call Facebook page and about 8 hours ago why I replied to the Prinkoff almost statement on the Abbas this year the Ministry of Education mo kwan no mo nkwala no emto moduane fi ze eka eda ho a muntuaye mo wose mo train na my discussion to give them a feedback as we speak. What is the decision from the ministry?
That's you know, who got a bit Prinkoff for you na kinka mu kanta. Let me say o some mo kan na tiawa fabi watching mu kakra. Na o must say ministry no nkeka no ho a acha kosi nyame pa next week Monday which is the 7th of November there. Omunua ne ho asem no ebeye den kakra ho asem ka beye den kakra na wo hwa omu attribute se wono mo suppliers kra no ya na eduane sem no wo mu eni ahode so mo des eduane ne bi kra bebra mu bi wono mu kra so mo ahode pese mo de beba wo hwe ma last semester ana Ministry of Education finance boa me twia omo a ewo se omo eduane sem ne omala wansi na because we musika na ekwa 50% of sika no ko into nuane. Now the remaining 50% no so call school for no in the form of allowance. I offer the training allowance. No, that was just last semester. Yeah, is a recent semester. Yeah, starting in encore. Yeah, there's also arrangement. Can no more na anka abribia no de kwen say ko suppliers ni de nnuane no emom nti abribia ban ho den so na wo de sika na mom na ngomo twetwa dan so say no we fresh suppliers na wo mokra so mo ntimi ni bi che say and that's what the 50,000 na 100,000 at all a brew and I say more and I say bia atoko ana emoko ya aban sika beba na sika na ho den so ayede ate or the 100,000 na akudwa so unya no makro na mabiu so enti largely no wohwa all these are by distractions within food supply chain. Bruni Becker said it has been occasioned by what we call inflationary pressures. Said the Ezekiel said me the $2 no who Jania and no cotadi adia chocolate autopano brodo 10 cities adia chocolate almost the 12 and now grad and grammar about almost 25 I'm saying maybe a brodo
Ah, no, you're 25.
my two will go to 25 say maybe a brodo was it ayo nam so mate o de mame ba ko ni bi na me managing is na me say we no e was so kakra
How many so we Kumasi boy, Anna?
wo munim say santi ati me ya na we firo hanti but we ye wofo ana say we ye offer say college of education so your principal na say whoever individual there me sure say the who be here pa na say e dia na mo na mutu afa ho college of education for na make suggestion say we sika banchia which is 60 to 50% per head na for mo funny feeding na e wo form na no kran so che say wo hwe sa amount na especially wo benchmark with current inflationary pressures any ade e ko so ama and no ko trade ade choba ko na asesa no ono supplier no ko tra ade che wo sentimi nya ho de fofo nya de nkutubu enti wono mo de ato aban nim se wo mo hwe no mo review adjust prices ni na all financial commitment and as I say was a could be na Ministry of Education and Finance for Trust. And she said, "Ye pa na educator so. Nyani I say Kosike I say ko. Mama Frano this semester almost so munyo allowance na the say didn't know nyani mo munina no. Ho de na timako na the pepe haba school. Tie tu ana mo ye bedi hu djuma po afaba amasumduaba.
But are we not collapsing our educational sector with these challenges? Senior high school, full school feeding, MSA up. Things are getting out of hand. I mean, the brain we say review these issues as we speak. Omo run a red, go green, a shift system, coupling with Romadu and SM. We're messing up our educational sector.
I'm not sure sir, if there is a challenge within the education space. It should be construed as a messy up education sector. Indeed, offer from the basic level. At the basic level, I mean, what they are mean to mean come out because Ministry of Gender. But have you also looked at the impact of in the more and just suppose with enrollment are increasing and the assets are creating amount of for in the end, Kwanse will fee na the be in your na ebia ade chen oyere fro se o milu e wo fie na so ate nti o chena ya to wo fie adwuma ba to bibra eno che se o be makro na se bi wo fie no nya responsible na se ebia ne sem no onka ho asem
but consistently say ya ka se tobra na da bia ebi ni ho da bia ebi ni ho na woni mo asade asa be ma na da bia wo yere ka se da bi ezi ade wo makura na kom do mintimi mfidi wo mo ahwe ya me emfo mo konkom children's home fo a be ma. Then you are almost becoming irresponsible.
So that is not the facts here. We have free SHS, for instance, turning out about roughly 1.6 million beneficiaries. In this year, you have an excess of 1.3 million students in the school. In the year, some can say, hey, Monday and my friend did Tuesday, we are more in the and you more in this Monday, could see Friday. Nanga Kuruma Kente, Kabena security concern. Yes, the challenges will be there. Challenges by the way, it came as a result of disruptions by year because of inflationary pressures. And do supply now Kuruma one in him Sahonchaba. President Kwaza no budgetum. One in him says Ukotadia at the Koro Kosolo. And it's a minimum year supplier. No semi dear broker. Me saying say now me won a brooming fan could be tum. Because me never kono and one there. I was a million says he can for the cotono. Mekwa market for the following week, and I say at the Ministry SHS as a case study. In the next 60 days, let's see, can also what they had to say brim, and you have to can the man, and what in him. And you make no man find a day, maybe that was a major challenge. And we share even at the College of Education level. Essentially, that is the same thing that they are seeing. One more someone can say suppliers no kwai so mo mfa mabiu because what they baba now what's na bi obaji sika no na fe wontimi nkofa no mani bi oboka. So those are the challenges but for the current inflationary pressures that we experience in this country can you even see pain? Yes, there will be challenges. I've always insisted say the challenges within the education space is being systemic. I'm also not underrating those challenges. And I'm was say the two. Nti woka efa bi no be adwen bebree si enhwe ne ntu na mo ne nsisi nanso se ka se challenges bebree aba nti is a mess nti is neither here nor there the nti America sa ne say yenhwe for instance at the SHS level before free SHS na enrollment say down there is a scheme to increase access afibia you have about 100,000 students and no munya omu BC omunya kwenya nyere entimenko more than even that no or more creating no one more no munya kwenya kura wura mu no you have a certain percentage that after first year no ejai second year no be so ejai because one mu ntimi nhwa then you have a model that is giving access to 100,000 students which 2017 based in 5 years over 500,000 students you've given access to them one they can say challenge them and there will be challenge. But when there are challenges, the beauty of leadership is to be able to resolve them. And that is what we have been doing as a ministry. At the secondary school level, now it's more than doubled. Those challenges will be there. But a bar.
So, students are
yes.
at work colleges of education at 80 or pay ya. What is the message?
Will be all college of education be a Narushem say a brand queen rule on Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Education actually almost see the concerns that has come up. If we see near to one ammonia, you're going to prepare.
And the assurance they say from Monday going.
No, we'll address that before the Monday comes.
Maybe I'm a
all right.
What's quite a PRO at the Ministry of Education, but is he Debbie and Ranameka a system of rule designed